Hi guys, last November in 2020, I bought this Bowflex M6 Max Trainer because of pandemic. I cannot use the downstairs gym room. This machine works very well, but started from last week. This machine started to give squeaking noise. As per the maintenance menu, I bought 100% silicone lubricant from Canadian Tire. I put on these mounting arms, and I just put 2 or 3 drops as the menu, but after the silicone dry, it's getting worse. The noise is much bigger than before. So I checked the internet and called them, and they said maybe you can put a one drop or 2 drop minor oil. I put a minor oil into this joiner place, but still it's not helpful and waste time. I almost give up. This morning, I think maybe something wrong with this supporting arm and this wheel. So I found the original this kind of tools come with this machine. I take off these nuts and this wheel. I make 180 degree. I put this end to the other end, just flip it and put the same wheel back again and tighten it. When you tighten it, please make sure not just use this way to tighten it. You have to use another hands to hold this end, to prevent this axle nuts to follow the rotation. Just hold it and then make sure it's safe. After that, I tried that. Can you hear that? So no noisy at all. It looks like it's brand new. So I don't think maybe some people tried this silicone lubricant and minor oil. It's working, but sometimes I think it's a mechanical problem here. The surface or something wrong. So you should think about it. This is another option to solve the problem. Just take this wheel out and flip it over. Hope this can help you. Just to enjoy your machine.